Another day, another story. Welcome to my profile. My name is Talha and I am a freelancer at Upwork. I'm a professional content writer with 3 years of experience crafting engaging, informative, and SEO-optimized content for a wide range of industries. Whether you need blog posts, articles, website copy, product descriptions, AI-generated content rewriting, content translation, or any other type of content, I'm here to help. I'm well-versed in keyword research and can help ensure your content is optimized for search engines, while still being readable and informative for your target audience. I can write material, translate documents, enhance documents using AI, and create eye-catching graphics all at once. I have a passion for words and focus on writing engaging, educational, and persuasive material. I'll customize the material, whether it's blog posts, articles, or website text, to connect with your target audience and accomplish your objectives. I give your ideas life as a talented graphic designer. I also edit and proofread AI-generated content and make it SEO optimized. If you're looking for a reliable and experienced content writer, or want to translate your content who can help take your content marketing to the next level, look no further. Let's chat about how I can help you achieve your goals. Looking forward to working with you. Thanks and best regards. Talha.